Don't forget to subscribe from our channel and give a big thumbs up. Nice. Welcome back, guys.
What are we gonna do today, Robin?
Close your eyes. Open them.
Look at this Barbie grocery store set. Has 25 pieces. She has a grocery cart. She has baskets. She has food to shop for.
Even look. You can move it.
And it moves. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, let's open this thing.
So, let's
open this
open
thing.
it.
Hold on.
Where are you going? There we go. So here is Barbie with her shopping cart. Let's take her out.
Get her legs out of there. Be careful not to cut the toy.
Did you cut it?
No.
There you go. Wait, she's not out completely.
And her legs are only out.
Right here, cut it right here.
Okay.
Don't cut my finger. Or her wrist. Okay, good. There we go.
I'm stuck.
Okay.
We'll be right back. Cut this. We're gonna cut this out first, guys. Whoa, double snap. It's not a
Right here, baby.
right here. Got my cutting skills.
We got that.
We got the
See that right
shells.
there?
But what about the basket? Oh my god, I did it!
I need your assistance.
You need my assistance?
Yeah, come cut it
Hold
over
on.
here.
Let me just get this out. How do I get this? Oh, there you go.
I need your assistance. Come on.
Okay, I'm coming for my assistance.
Right there.
Right here. That was easy. We got the bag and the...
And the shopping cart.
Hold on. One more cut.
And then we're just gonna take all these accessories out. We'll be back.
Can't cut the tape. I can't. Can I cut the tape?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. How do you make it stand? Also, how do you make it stand? Like, okay, let's do it, guys. Yeah. Wait, you need to see the number 3. There.
Register 3 is open. Is this supposed to be down?
No, it's supposed to be like up.
Well, that's the computer part.
How dare do I get it out? So
Pop these out.
ooh, and they even have a magazine.
They have a what?
They have a magazine.
Pop it out. Let's see what it looks like.
If I can get this out of it. See what the words inside.
Nothing, just for pretend.
Yeah. Now we gotta get all the rest of this.
Get the food out so we can set it up in the grocery store.
Can I get it out?
Yeah, you can.
Come on.
We're back again. So let's put all this stuff up. Oops, the basket fell out.
What is this? Healthy foods?
We got some, what is this? Pasta.
Pasta? I don't know what
Wait,
pasta.
the pasta goes, wait, this is not where pasta goes.
No. Here?
No. Right there.
Oh, here. Okay. There's pasta.
Come on, let's move this right along.
Right along.
What else goes in this section? The detergent.
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 Detergent. Detergent. Detergent. What is this? Cheese? Bread?
Bread, yeah. So the bread goes...
Oh, I can see the bread.
That's cheese.
Oh, wait, that was
The bread goes up here.
right here, right here.
It's right there, but I don't know where you want to put it.
Maybe like
Just put it wherever it is.
here.
Or put it right there if you want. Put it where it goes. Wherever.
Toilet paper. What is that toilet?
This is paper towels.
Paper towel. I thought it was
it right
toilet paper. Thought it was toilet paper. What is this? Orange Sprite?
Orange juice.
Orange juice?
Orange spray.
Orange Sprite. Ah. Yeah. Where did the apples go?
In the basket.
Protein.
Whatever this is, I don't know.
Beans. Beans. Beans.
see.
Beans.
Put it right there.
Beans. Beans. Beans.
Put them up there.
Beans. 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 Beans.
Come on, Bangs.
Yeah.
Did you get it yet?
Got it. Water. Just,
Apple
mommy.
juice.
This is like the other one that we have.
What is this?
Shampoo. Oh, I think it's shampoo or like shampoo conditioner. Eggs. Yeah.
It doesn't fit.
Maybe like upside down.
There it is. Oops.
Basket. The apples.
Basket keeps
Buy
falling.
the apples.
Where's the honey go? Up here. Hold it for me.
Okay.
Ow. Damn it.
There. Now we have, what is this?
Soap
Soap to wash your whole body off.
to wash your hands. Just put it wherever. Put it. No, put it in the thing. Right there. Yeah, if it fits.
It doesn't fit.
There it is.
No, it
Ah,
doesn't. Now we gotta put the
we're
toilet
having
paper.
difficulties putting this together.
Yeah.
Come on, put all the yogurts. Put them.
Ooh, look at
In the
this
refrigerated
one. Look at
section.
this one, Mommy.
This is strawberries. Oh.
No, this one's that picture is like a milkshake.
Oh, like ice cream milkshake or something.
Here.
I don't know. Well, let's put it in here, I guess. This is like
Mommy,
tuna.
there's other different magazines.
Tuna.
Mommy, there's other different
I know,
magazines.
I saw. We gotta put this milk up before it gets. Bah, there's not a sticker on. Oh,
There's no picture.
just put it where it's supposed to go. Let's see. Put it in there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yogurt? You can only see its back. Right here, because it has no picture. The milk! It's gonna spill.
Hello, thank you for coming to Barbie's grocery store. If you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Happy shopping!
Happy shopping. Here's some beans. I definitely ran out of milk. Orange juice and cereal. Oh, I also need this too. Honey too. Okay. Two more things. Toilet paper. Oh, that and this. Okay. now that we're done shopping, let's go pay. Hi.
Hello.
This
Are you ready to
pay?
Are you ready to pay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Here's this.
Put it right on here.
Okay. Beep, beep, ping. Beep. Oh,
Got stuck.
we get stuck. Okay, let's do this again. Beep,
Okay, let's see what's next.
beep. Some conditioner. Ching, ching.
Okay, and what else is next? Oh my gosh.
This is too funny.
Okay. Oh my goodness, you got a lot of stuff. Mm.
Peep, peep, peep. There you go, Mr. Bear.
Okay, let's see. We got some lettuce.
Peep. Okay. Oh, apple. Peep. Peep.
Oh man, your basket is getting really full.
I know, I just got a lot of stuff. Some beans. Oh, I can get beans. Peep.
Okay, let me take this and put this in your grocery cart.
Okay.
Let's put them on the grocery.
Thingy.
Put them all there. Put them all there. It's not gonna fit in one little basket. I mean, one little bag.
Well, how about we just put it?
Okay, leave your card right there, and I will bring them up.
Okay. I hope you're making it. Do you need help, miss? Okay, I'll help you. Orange juice. Now last one.
Oh, and your milk. Yep. Oh, gosh. Okay, and your total is $60.25.
Okay, let me go get it. Let me just...
Wait, you didn't bring your purse?
Well, I made it. Well, I have it in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, and I would like 2 more things.
Oh, okay, go ahead. I'll just wait here for you. Oh, you need a magazine and fresh flowers.
First,
Fresh brown flowers. Beep.
and well, the magazine goes through. So. Then we gotta pick all this grocery stuff. This grocery thing stuff. Okay.
Oh, you forgot your beans.
Me?
Alrighty, that is all for you today. Thank you so much for coming to Barbie's grocery store.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Come again.
If I read this stuff.